Hi, this is a help video for 2.8 intercepts and end behavior. And let's jump on in. So here we're looking for the intercepts of this red line. Now what we mean by the intercepts are where does it cross the x-axis. Here, let's draw a line here for the x-axis. And where does it cross the y-axis? And here we go with the y-axis. So here's y and here is x. So where do they cross? Well, so down here, the x-intercept is going to be right here. So it's minus 12, minus 14. I think that's minus 15. So you have to be careful on this one because the lines are counting by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It's between 14 and 16. So it would be a negative 15. Now, the y-intercept. Where does it cross the y-intercept? Crosses right here, which is 12, 14, 15. Looks like that one's also 15, but in this case, a positive 15. And notice there is a help video here as well. All right, well, there we go. Let's submit it just to show you that it's right. Turn green. Let's go to number 2. How about this one? Where are the x and y intercepts? So the x-intercept, I think we can see clearly it's at negative 20. And the y-intercept is at 8. Cool. Let's go to the next one. X-intercept looks like it's at 4. Y-intercept looks like it's at negative 6. How about this one? All right. Now, when you get one like this, what you might want to do is, I'm going to do a little trick here. I'm going to, whoops, not that trick. I'm going to move this screen over and bring up another tab with Desmos and put it right there. And there's a better way to do this, but this will work. Okay, so click graphing calculator. So desmos.com/calculator. And let's type it in. Y equals 3x minus 4. Oops, I put 45. 3x minus 4. And we can see these gray dots. You can click on those gray dots, and that gives you your intercepts. So the x-intercept is, let's write it exactly the way we see it, 1.3333, comma 0, and notice they're in parentheses. That's the whole address for this point. That's its full name, right? You think of yourself as having a first name and a last name, maybe a middle name. That's what this dot has a first name and a last name. It's x coordinate and it's y coordinate. How about the y? Parentheses 0, comma negative 4. Cool. And let's submit that. Yay, all good. Let's go to the next one. Same thing. You're just going to type these in. So 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. Cool. You can bring this over. You can click right here and right here. So you can type them in just the way you see them, 10, comma 0 and 0, comma 4. Use the parentheses. Now, if you were to click on this video, it's probably going to explain it to you using algebra. And the algebra is like, what if you didn't have Desmos as a graphing calculator? What if your teacher didn't let you use this? Well, there is another way to find it. And the video will show you that method. And if you're going to college, that would be a really good thing for you to look at and think about how do you use it without a graphing calculator. In my class, I'm happy for you always to use this. Why? Because you can put Desmos on your phone and, oh, that's Carl. You put it on your phone and you would always be able to just graph it. So I think in the real world, there's nothing wrong with graphing these to find the intercepts. All right, same thing here, just put them in Desmos. Same thing here, right? So if you wanted to sketch a graph, let's just see what that would look like. Minus 3x minus 6y is equal to 6. But you can click here on these intercepts, and you can see that it crosses the y-axis at 0, comma negative 1, and it crosses the x-axis at negative 2. There you go. So I typed it into Desmos, clicked on the intercepts, and used the intercepts to graph it. All right, same thing. Same thing. You're going to type in the intercepts, and you're going to use it to graph. Works the same way. And you should be able to do that. Good luck. Let me know.